Joka,
Lotanna, open the door. Lotanna. Mother, where is Afunwa? He's at the backyard.
Listen, Mother, we have been quiet enough. We can't just sit back and watch things get out of hands. We have to do something before it's too late.
Enough, Olama. If you are talking about the police, forget it. I will not get them involved in this. This is a family matter.
Why, Mother? Do you want them to kill themselves before you will do something? Huh?
Nobody is going to kill anyone. My God will not allow my children to kill themselves. Never.
Mother, what if we get our uncles involved in this? Let someone talk to them. At least for them to come to their right senses.
No. I don't want to get anyone involved in this. My God will help us. We will settle it within ourselves.
Mother, please, it's okay. You've been saying this. My God will do this. My God will do that. And things keep getting worse. What? They are your children, oh. When it will happen, you will be the one that will be crying here, and I will not be here to help you. What? Let's do something.
My children will not kill themselves. No one is going to kill anyone in this house. I'm sure of that.
Okay, Mother.
My God will make a way.
You've been saying that.
Vicky, I'm so sorry. I was trying to finish what I was saying. It's come and attend to you. But why did you come back? I thought you went to see Emma.
Hey, Chiduto.
Eh?
Guess what?
I'm not in that mood.
Guess now.
I'm not in that mood.
Try.
I can't.
Okay. I have found a link to that girl.
To that girl?
Yes, now.
You don't mean it. Where is she? Let's go.
Hey, wait. Calm down now. Calm down. Hold on. Ima, my friend, found her.
Hey, let's go now.
Wait. Calm down.
Relax. Don't tell me to calm.
Don't be in a hurry. Eh? So, trust me. Ima will bring her here.
Hi. What are you even saying? Which one is that Ima will bring her here? Let's go now. Why are you doing like this now? Vicky, it's not nice. Let's go.
Chill. Just chill.
Okay, so tell me now, what's going on?
Babe.
Yes?
You know I can't be joking with this kind of thing.
Are you sure you're telling me the truth?
Yes, I can't be joking.
You're sure you're not lying?
Listen. Afunwa paid Emma to trail Lotanna. That was how he discovered the girl's whereabouts. He even said I should give him from now till tomorrow.
You don't mean it?
Yes, so.
So, Emma will bring that girl to my house.
Sap now.
Hey! Sorry.
Don't shout. Hey! Don't shout.
I can't hold my joy. Vicky! Thank you so much. I can't wait. God! You're so good. You're so good to me. I can't wait to see her.
You need to teach that girl a lesson.
She's dead.
She's finished.
You're gone. Whoever you are, you're gone. She's gone.
She don't even know the people she's playing with. Don't kill me. Don't
best news I've received in a while. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I told you I have your back. I told you. I did have your back.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
dog is driving me crazy. She's driving me crazy.
Mama, look, you have to deal with that girl. You have to deal with her as soon as she comes out from that house. Mama, you need to teach her a lesson she would never forget in her life.
That shouldn't be your problem. Let her come out first. Look, where is she?
I don't know. She's not in her room.
What?
Did you check the backyard?
Did you check the backyard?
Mama, she's not in her room. I'm not even sure she slept here last night.
She slept here. She slept in this house. I saw her when she entered her room last night.
Maybe she has gone to your uncle again.
Mama, that stupid girl has not left this house. She has not left this house this morning.
Then where could she possibly be?
You, did you check the toilet?
Talk now.
You shut up. Why didn't you check the toilet?
Okay, Fugo.
Mama sent you on an errand. You're asking me why didn't I check the toilet?
We check the toilet! Did you check the toilet?
Lotanna, where is your brother?
Mother, please. Please. I want to be left alone. I just want to be left alone. Just leave me alone. I just want to be left alone. If there's anyone you need to talk to, is Afunwa. Go talk to him. Tell him not to come outside today. If he does, I'll kill him.
Lotanna, how long are you going to continue like this with your brother?
As long as it takes.
How long are you going to keep malice with your only blood brother?
Mother, if there's anyone you need to talk to, it should be Afunwa. Afunwa has the guts to do what he did today. Enough is enough.
What can you do? What can you do?
Hey, God!
Are you alright?
Shimo!
Are you alright?
What?
Stay where you are.
Shimo!
Mother, I am not afraid of you.
God, yeah! Who will help me out there? Who will help me out?
Just because I asked you to leave my girl for me.
Hey! Afunwa! Lotanna! Afunwa! Shimo! Shimo!
Ballless man.
Hey!
Walking around with empty testicles. You can't put that.
Hey! No! Jesus!
Can't put that.
Jesus!
What could this be? What could this be? Oh, what could this be? Brother against brother. What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could this be? What could we are fighting one another? What could this be?
Please get out of my...
Hey!
Lotanna and Afunwa, your mother here told us the matter between both of you. And we're here to resolve the matter. So we pray to you, to both of you, to cooperate with us.
Well, my brother, this girl, has said it all. I don't see why two of you should be fighting over a woman. It is not a good record. Lotanna, Afunwa, I want this my question to be answered. Is there anything in that woman that cannot be found in another woman that makes two of you to be fighting all the time?
Please, can I say something?
Afunwa, allow them to finish.
Mother, please don't tell me that. After all, I'm not part of this arrangement. Nobody informed me about this meeting.
Afunwa, where is your manners? What has gotten over you? I said allow them to talk. Allow your uncles to talk.
Afuma, I am disappointed in you. So you cannot accord us some respect. We are here for you. So I want both of you to bury the hatchet and become brothers again.
Yes, I want both of you to forget about the girl that is causing this problem and move on with your lives. Makana, onye patakwala mkpara already. Siri ngwere bepụta already. Nkịta na-achụ ngwere na isi n'aja.
Sorry to disappoint you, Uncle. I don't understand what you just said. But I'm sure you would understand what I'm about to say. The girl in question, I found. I brought to this house automatically. I own her. I don't know what this fool is talking about.
Now, see how fools talk, Uncle. Just listen to a full-grown man with bears, blabbing rubbish. Well, uncles, the only settlement I shall accept is that you tell him to stay away from my girl. She belongs to me and me alone.
In that case, there will be no such word as settlement. My uncles, the earlier you start going back home, the better for all of us.
Lieutenant. Hey.
Rose, okay. You had their children. We are not here to be insulted. Hey. Anna agwanti ayana. Madam baby isi nti esoya. Ezekiel, I'm out of here.
My husband, please don't go.
Disappointed. Not even single respect. I thank you.
No, Ezekiel. Please, don't go.
The last time we came home, it was this
foolish old men. No wonder their remaining hairs are falling off. And you...
Will you shut up?
We shall see.
Hey!
Mother, can we discuss something else?
Hey! Huh? What kind of insult was that? Eh? Imagine children of nowadays.
In fact, Ezekiel, I am highly disappointed. In fact, I made a mistake by coming. I should have stayed back instead of coming to be embarrassed this way.
Why should two grown-up men be fighting over a woman?
This is what we call madness. Shameless animals. In
fact, I regret coming here.
Me too. Let's go. Let's go. Ezekiel, let's go. Let's go.
She did not sleep in this house. I said it. I know that girl.
If she did not sleep in this house, then where did she sleep?
If Oledo did not sleep in this house last night, that means she slept at your uncle's place. Have you seen it? How God fights my battle for me. That means it is to my favor. Because she must give me a good reason why she slept outside. Hey! If not,
but Mama, we need to be sure first.
Will you shut up? Mama is right. You need to be sure about what?
Calm down. Since you both have decided to fight yourselves, instead of fighting the common enemy, kill yourselves. But meanwhile, remember to inform me when she comes back.
See, I have the feeling that Oledo left this house when we were still sleeping.
Hey. Do you know you're so senseless? Had it been you have sense, you will know, in fact, you will observe the time she left this house. It's because you're so empty.
Will you
shut up? Shut up, what's the more effect? I will stop you. Respect yourself in this house.
What are you doing here?
Tina, I've come to see you. We need to talk.
See me? Huh? Why? Talk about what?
Talk about us. You know, I still want you back.
You still want me back?
Yes.
Why is it very hard for you to understand that I don't love you anymore? I am no longer interested. I am even surprised that you're here to say all this rubbish. Leave my house. I'm not interested.
You know, Tina, it's not over. You know, I noticed you started avoiding me the moment you start seeing another man. Come on, I still love you and I still want you back.
And me, I don't love you. Please excuse me and leave my house.
Tina. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Is Oledo around?
No, she went out.
Oh, you have no idea where she might be.
Am I her dog or her bodyguard that should be following her everywhere she goes?
Can I sit and wait for her?
If you want to sit and wait for her, go ahead and sit and wait for her.
Thank you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sit now. Wait. Just wait for her.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
Shema, be fast.
I'm walking.
I'm walking. I wish I should. You've been the one to run all those errands. Leave this.
There's water inside too. You must have abandoned it here.
The person must be around here. I'm sure.
I doubt.
Then it's not our business. Can we go now? Let us go. I will soon slap you.
Good day, ma.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you, ma. Ma, please, I'm here to see Oledo. Can you help me call her?
Oledo?
Yes, ma.
Unfortunately, she's not around.
Right. Ma, where did she go to? I mean, tell me I can go and bring her back home.
No, I wouldn't know because I'm not her bodyguard.
Okay, fine. I would wait.
Want to continue the wait?
Yeah, let me wait for her.
Okay, continue the waiting gang. Go ahead. Stop with this.
Why must they be Oledo? My two daughters are here, and no one has ever come to ask for their hands in marriage. Now two brothers are fighting and killing themselves over Oledo. Who is even this Oledo? Is she more beautiful than my daughters? Mbana, I have to do something. I really need to do something fast.
What is keeping Ebere? Ebere left here for over 2 hours in search of drinking water. Yet nobody is talking anything about her. What is wrong with this girl? Where else could she have gone? Eh?
Uncle, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you see my daughter as you were coming? Ebere left to search for drinking water for over 2 hours now, and nobody's saying anything about her.
No, we did not see her. But uncle, did she go with Oledo?
Yes, uncle. We have been looking for Oledo. She didn't sleep in the house last night.
Oledo didn't come here either. My daughter left alone.
Uncle, are you trying to tell me that Oledo did not sleep in this house last night?
Yes, I'm telling you that Oledo did not come here last night. I'm talking about my daughter that has gone out in search of drinking water and she has not returned.
Uncle, we have to go.
Please, if you see her anyhow on the road, tell her to hurry up. Ebe, I don't know what is wrong with Ebe. Ebe.
What is it? See, I don't trust that man. I don't.
Are you sure the jerrycan we saw on the way does not belong to Ebere?
Chioma, I knew it. So Ebere left her gallon on the road and entered into the bush with her boyfriend. Hi! I know that girl is very spoilt. I am sure. How did you know? Come, let us go. Let's go search for her. Wait. My phone is ringing.
So we have to wait because your phone is ringing?
You don't have a choice. You have to wait. I'm your elder sister. His mama. Hello, Mama. Yes, we are on our way back. Now, okay, yes, no problem. We are coming. I think she's back. Let's go. Let's run. Let's go.
You would have stayed now. You want us to talk. Foolish man. Chai. What is going on? What is going on now? Why is nobody answering my call? Hey, these people should not try me. They should not try me because I know where to find them. Yes. They should not joke with me. They should not joke with me. They better answer my call, oh. They better answer my call. Let it not be what I am thinking. Let it not be what I am thinking. Let it not be what I am thinking. We should pick on now. What is all this, for goodness sake?
Waiting for you to come so we can talk.
Why is it very hard for you to understand that I have nothing, absolutely nothing to say to you anymore? Can't you get it? Leave my house now. What is it, Seth? Is it by force? It's not by force. Why? Leave my house, Oga.
Tina,
Oga, leave my house.
Tina, you know what? Shouting will not solve this problem. Just get a seat. Let's talk.
Hey, Tina, you don't suffer. You don't see something. Can you imagine a visitor offering me a seat in my own father's house? Who does that? Why is it done? Okay, she should get out of my father's house.
Tina, I will not leave this place till you give me the answers I need. I will not leave this place. I'm serious.
Really? You will not leave here, right? Okay, don't worry. No, stay here. Let me call the security people. You know that.
You want to call the security people on me?
Yes, now.
No problem. Just call them. I'm waiting. Call them.
I should call them?
Yes, just
I'm
call them.
dialing the number.
Yes, call them. I'm waiting. Call them.
Okay. You want us to talk, right?
Just sit down. Let's talk. We need to talk. This is very important.
It's okay. Let's go inside. Talk. Let's go inside.
Go inside?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm serious.
You're serious?
Yes, now. So we'll have a dialogue. Stand up now. Leave my father's house. What is it?
I'm waiting here till you come out.
So Vicky, you need to keep calling him now so that we'll know what's going on.
Okay. His phone is ringing.
Thank God.
He did not speak.
Please keep calling, he will pick.
It's ringing again. Hello? He might have been calling your phone. You're not picking. What's going on? Oh, you're on your way. All right. Okay. All right, so wait for you at that place you asked us to wait for you. We are going to that place right now. All right. Thank you. It's okay. Okay.
What did he say?
Everything is under control. He said we should go to where he asked us to wait for him. So let's go to that place.
Better, let's go.
Take it easy, baby.
What's happening? See those two men out there? Those two men. I want you to seduce them.
Hey, Mama. I don't understand that one.
Why are you always stupid? Why is it that you don't have brain in your head? Have sense in this your disco. Have sense. You both know why they are here. Is only the more beautiful than you two? Eh? If you know anything you will do to make them fall over heels in love with you two, go and do it now. Eh? Go and do it now. This is the time you have it.
Mama is right.
Listen, this is the opportunity you two have. I have given you to go ahead. Go and take over. Because overtake is... Oh, why are you too stupid? Is it the time for you two to fight?
Why are you looking at me like that? Are you senseless? Are you stupid?
Because you're stupid in your head. Huh? This opportunity you two have. Go and overtake Oledo. Because overtaking is allowed. Shake yourself. Anything you need to do so that those men will fall yakata and carry you go home for keeps.
Mama, hey, Mama, name of the vessel.
You more than my fan.
Hey, Mama, you too much. Don't worry. We'll go there and arrange it. Mama, check your daughter's house
you
now.
Talking like my daughters.
Mama.
Mama, don't look at your sister like that. This is the time to work together in synergy. Understand yourselves, work in unity so that we have one goal. I don't want you to come and stay here at Canal.
Okay, Mama, check me out. Go to my skates.
So that's called the keep. No man will see this and will not follow you home.
They will not follow.
Yes.
Who will follow you like this? Who will follow you? Look at you.
Yes. Go.
Excuse me, please. Yes. How are you?
I'm good. I'm here for you, my love.
Huh? Your love? Ha.
No. Listen, look, I will give you anything just to tell me where I can find Olido.
Anika, how are you?
Fine.
Please, can you tell me where I can find Olido?
Forget about Olido. I'm here for you, my love. Don't you like what you're saying? See, check. Check it. Don't you like it?
Don't worry, I'll tell you.
I don't understand. Why are you doing like this? Are you alright?
Let's go. You can tell me where I can find it. Anything you want, I'll give you.
Anything I want.
Anything.
Let's go.
Tell me where I can find Olido. I'll give you 100,000. I didn't come here to laugh.
Can you just forget about Olido? Look at me. I have everything. A man only from my woman. Look at, I have everything.
Can you just comport yourself and take 100,000 and be meaningful to yourself? Huh? Tell me where I can find Olido. Stop. Be still, right? You're acting like you have a problem. Are you normal?
It's because I love you. I'm in love with you.
I don't want abnormal love. Can I give you 100,000? You keep your abnormal love. Tell me where I can find Olido. Or can I make you 200? Why are you doing that? Do you have a problem?
No.
Why are you doing You love who? Respect yourself. Don't use that word again. Don't use it again. How can I see Olido? You know what love is all about. Look at you, small girl. Arrange yourself well. Where is Olido?
Look. Forget this thing you're doing. It will not work. I will give you 150,000 naira if you can tell me where to find Olido.
Why are you so desperate about Olido? Is she prettier than I am?
No. Listen, you're very pretty. No doubt about that. But I want to know where I can find Olido. It's very important.
If it is Olido that you're looking for, then go look for her yourself. Don't stress me.
What is wrong with everybody? I am suspecting Lutana. I think he knows where Olido is and he's pretending not to know.
Mama, tell those men not to show their ugly faces here again. No, they should not come here.
Mama, you need to see the embarrassment. You need to see the way that man pushed me out.
Why did you both give up so easily? When you should have tried and kept trying.
Hey.
Do you know that man offered me 150,000 to tell him the whereabouts of Olido?
And the other one offered me 100,000. But I rejected it.
I rejected it.
My problem is not the money you rejected. It's the opportunity you both missed. Good opportunity. Don't you know that good opportunities come but once? Small seducing. If I were a young girl, you would have seen what I would have done.
Ma, you need to see the way I said you.
Hey. What is wrong with Mama? I wish she was the one that disgraced. What kind of mother is this?
I made a mistake. I would have accepted that money. That way nobody lose.
Are you a thief? Ibunyoshi. How will you accept the money? Do you know where Olido is?
That is it. And I will give him a wrong direction. When he goes there, he will not see Olido. By that time, the money is already in my pockets.
And they will come and arrest you now.
Yeah,
I told you don't have sense.
Where did you write your agreement?
Because him and Mama so easy, I won't go.
Hear me first now. Eh?
Okay, I am all ears. Huh?
This guy, is that not Afunwa driving like a madman?
That is Afunwa. He nearly killed us.
Yeah.
Yes.
But what is chasing him?
Aga, let us go out from this place. I'm sensing danger. Yes.
You are sensing danger?
Yes, sensing danger.
This girl, what about the information I wanted to give you?
Aga, leave this information. When we get to your house, we'll talk about it.
Okay. Okay, let's go. So, I must answer that call.
Why did you keep me outside for long?
Sorry, sir, I'm sorry.
You're sorry. You're sorry. You're sorry. You're sorry. Happen again. It will happen again. Madman, idiot. Come back here. Come back here. Are you mad? Come back here. Come back here. Come back here. It won't happen next time. It better not happen next time. Did you hear what I said? Did you hear what I said? I'm not an idiot. Go. Stupid. Can't tell that nonsense. Listen, I know your plots. Okay? Lotana, tell me where you hid Olive.
What's the meaning of this nonsense?
Where did you hide her?
Have you lost your senses? Do you realize you're talking to your elder brother?
Listen, I don't care whether I have lost it or not. You are hiding the love of my life, and you are going to provide her. Oh, you think I don't know? You're just here pretending that you're equally looking for her.
I think there is something fishy here. You see, with the way you're opening your eyes and ranting, something tells me that you are responsible for her disappearance.
Hey, listen. I give you 24 hours to provide my love. Else you will face my wrath. Lieutenant.
What is going on?
We shall see!
Afunwa.
If he continues like this, it will leave me no other option than to kill him. I'm not joking about that.
Rotanna, what is the problem? Same girl? And where have you been?
In fact, Mother, I do not want to have this discussion. Excuse me.
Hey! So whatever.
to ask you why you are harboring Oledo. Why are you harboring her?
Who is harboring Oledo in his house? When your two daughters came in the morning, didn't I tell them that I'm not harboring Oledo in my house? Did I see Oledo in my house?
So if Oledo is not in your house, then where could she be?
Why are you asking me such question? I said, why are you asking me such question? For your information, my daughter left in my house this morning to fetch this water. And yet I discovered this gallon abandoned on the road. Eh? I have not set my eyes on her.
Then she's like father, like daughter.
What?
Like daughter, like father. Yes. So, then why can't you honorably tell me that your daughter Ebere went out with Oledo? Is it a bad thing to say?
You get out of my way.
Me, get
Just
out.
get out of my way.
Me, get out. I'm okay, get out.
Yeah,
Am I your mate? If
you have come this far.
Yes.
You come this far.
What will you do?
Don't
See,
worry.
that's your house. I will come again.
Let me drop this jerrycan.
I will come again. You will
Let me drop this. Let me know. Okay, after Monkaku. Okay, from Monkaku, that's who you are.
You be idiot. Nonsense.
I will meet you.
Like fella, like daughter. How can you don't have to be walking up and down? Pio.
This one not be bubble juice. I was actually there until Lotana left. The girl we're talking about is nowhere to be found. As I'm talking to you right now, nobody knows her whereabouts. Nobody knows where she is.
Nobody knows where she is. Meaning, she's missing.
That's the story. She's missing.
I don't believe that. Yeah? I feel this is a setup for them to keep her away. Yes, that's what I feel. It's a ploy. The family knows her whereabouts. My instinct does not lie to me.
It's not a ploy. I was actually there and I witnessed everything.
Juto, what do you think? What I think is the family is up to something. Yes, they are trying to keep her away for her to be safe. But that will never happen. Emma, please, you need to keep your eyes on that family because I know they are up to something. All these are charade and I can bet you to that. Yes, I will give you more money. Any amount you want. I want that girl. I want her. Emma,
Baby.
you heard her. She will give you more money. Yes. Please, the payment won't be a problem, I promise. Do the needful.
Baby, you know, when it comes to money, my ears are wide open. And I'll do anything for money.
Oh, my darling.
Work continues.
I love you so much.
With me.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, so I have to leave now. You know, my mom will soon be worried. It's okay. I didn't sleep at home last night. It's okay. All right, baby.
Take care.
Yeah, bye.
Baby, come over here.
Darling. Oh my word, I'm so proud of you. Let's go, let's go.
Go in there and talk to Lotana if you value his life. He should tell me where he's hiding my girl. If after 24 hours he doesn't tell me where he's hiding her, nobody in this house would like my action.
What is wrong with both of you? Huh? I wonder what you two saw in that gate that should be fighting over her like this.
Olama, I am done talking to you. Now make yourself scarce.
Afoma, you really want me to leave?
I said leave!
But I just want you to say it from this angle. Please.
Are you still here? I said get out of here!
I will leave. Fine, I will leave.
Nonsense! Oh. You're here to advise me. Better go talk to Lotana if you value his life.
I don't care. I don't care anymore. You can go ahead and then kill yourself. What is all this?
Mama, what is it?
Mother, I am no longer interested in whatever that is going on between Afunwa and Lotana in this house. They can go ahead and kill themselves if that is what they want.
No. You don't have to talk like that. They are your brothers. Moreover, nobody is going to kill each other. Okay?
I am sick and tired of everything, mother. Nobody wants to listen to advice. So let them be. Let them go ahead and kill themselves because of that local village girl. What?
Lord, please calm down. Calm down. Eh? Everything will be okay. Just relax. Let me go and talk to him.
Imagine, you will talk to Afunwa, Mba, talk to Lotana. What else do they want us to do? What else? We should leave this house for them. That would be better.
Afunwa,